Hey everyone, my name is Kayla and this is K-Law for You. As many of you may have already heard, on Thursday, Blake Lively has requested a judge to dismiss her from the suit that Justin Baldoni had filed against her. Basically what she's saying is that he filed this suit purely out of revenge, which is against California law. What she's talking about is Code 47.1, which basically says, a communication made by an individual without malice regarding an incident of SA, SH, or SD, that D standing for discrimination, is privileged under this section. Now, I think the key there is without malice. As we know, a lot of things have been coming out. Justin Baldoni, put up a website and you're seeing all these text messages and she's making these claims about I'll unleash my dragons, talking about Taylor Swift and, all these other things that we've learned through the course of this lawsuit. So I highly doubt that a judge is going to grant this dismissal, given all the evidence that's come forward that there is potential that maybe Blake Lively filed this suit with malice. Maybe it really wasn't rooted in SA, SH, or SD, or any of these things that are privileged communications. Now, her husband, Ryle Reynolds, may have a bit of a stronger claim because I didn't look too much into his, but I'm assuming that his is rooted more in the First Amendment, which is freedom of speech, which I know that it's hard to believe this given the climate that we're living in right now, but it's intended to be very strong. We want people to be able to speak and speak freely. So his might be a little bit stronger, but hers, given the fact that there's that, without malice component in the California code, I don't see a judge dismissing this. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think she filed her suit potentially with ulterior motives or with something else going on that would basically make this code not apply and make it to where it really shouldn't be granted by a judge? Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks.